I am a kind of person who have very broad range of interests, and SAIC provides me a really good opportunity to be able to approach all the medias that they provide on campus. We got to choose 3 classes that we wanted to take in the first year, and I got into ceramics. My artist practice is the study of connections, the metaphor of social relationships. I started from studying the physical connections between objects, if they glued to each other or they screwed to each other. I casted bones and I attached ball joint on the bones and tried to make each bone connect to each other. As a ceramic artist, having a studio space here in the capstone classroom, I got a spot to put all my tools on the shelf and lay all my pieces on the table, and I got a space to rest and to concentrate, to think. It's very happy to be in an environment like this. What drives me from my home to the studio is I want to see how my stuff come out from the kiln and what other people's making. Each of us in the capstone class will specify in different areas of ceramics. We ask each other questions, like technique questions sometimes, to see what glaze they have tried, and maybe that looks good on mine. We learn from each other and inspire each other.